Hi everybody, welcome to Pop-OS 20.04. Please go to Pop-OS and download with this download button right here. The 20.04 LTS release. Make sure you verify your ISO. Enjoy Pop-OS. Goodbye now. Hi everybody, today I am going to be showing you guys how to install KDE and remove the GNOME Session desktop on Pop-OS. So I installed KDE already. So, but I did show how to do it in the last video, so you guys can check out my recent videos on Pop-OS. And then so let's get started right now. So I'm gonna open up a terminal. First, let's see what desktop sessions we're using. So you're gonna type this command, ls/user/bin/star session. So let's hit that, and you guys can see I am running the GNOME session right now, and has a GNOME session custom session. Due to Pop-OS is a custom GNOME desktop, so, and we have Plasma. So now what we want to do is we're going to want to run this command right here. I'm just going to copy it in because I have it. I will leave the link to the stuff I copied and stuff in the description. So we're going to paste this in right here. You can copy a sudo apt install kde-plasma-desktop. So since I already have this, it shouldn't have anything to do. So let's see what happens. So yeah, everything is up to date. So that's good. So let's you're gonna do this, and then after that is all complete, you guys are going to want to do this right here. Sudo apt remove pop desktop. So I'm going to do that right now since I'm not in GNOME. So let's do that. And now we're gonna have to type this command, and this can be a pain. So let me read this. Warning, the following essential packages will be removed. This should not be done unless you know exactly what you are doing. So, guys, please do this at your own risk. They implemented this because obviously they don't want anybody to install other desktops, or they don't want you to remove the GNOME desktop. I personally think you guys should leave GNOME. I don't think it's that big of a deal if GNOME is on with the KDE desktop, because it just takes up some space, but it doesn't really matter if it's on to me. But if you guys want to do this, go right ahead, and that's why I'm doing this video. So we're going to hit yes. Then we're going to hit the comma, do as I say. And then it removed. So you guys should be able to do that. Yes, comma, do as I say. The next thing we want to do, and then just to clarify, because this changed in the recent video I did, do not go and update anything in the package manager yet, because if you open this up, you can see that it came back in this. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fix this later, so just ignore the updates for now. So then what we want to do is we want to do sudo apt-get autoremove. And we're going to type this, and it's going to remove everything. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to do the same thing with the GNOME. We want to do sudo apt-get purge GNOME star symbol on your keyboard. It should be number 8 on your keyboard, unless you live in a different, unless it's not a US keyboard. Mine is a US keyboard, so you want to type this out and then hit enter, and then following information, and then okay, so it's saying this isn't installed, so it was it was part of Pop-OS. So now what we want to do, since everything is installed, yours is going to be a little bit different because of it's going to remove everything of these. So you want to do that first, and then what you guys want to do is let me clear the screen so I can, you want to do sudo apt-get autoremove again, and then it's going to say it's going to remove all those packages. Mine was already removed, I think, because I did this before. So actually, so that's all you have to do. So now when you open this up, we are going to see some package. All those packages are going to be back in here. Mine is less because I already removed this before, so you're going to have around 490 packages, I think it was. So don't install anything from in here. What we want to do so we don't get those packages from GNOME, so we want to first install Nemo, sudo apt install Nemo. I think that's what it's called. So Nemo File Manager. I have it already installed. You can see there. So what else we want to do is we want to go to the Nemo File Manager right here. And we're going to go to the file system. And we want to go to etc apt, and we want to open this as root. Right here. So now you can see, since we did that, it made another file. What we want to do, it made another file here. So what we want to do is, let's see here. We want to move this we want to delete this one. Well, I really don't recommend deleting it just in case you need it to read. So what we're going to do is we're going to name this .backup. So then, because it may, when you did that, now it makes another file. Before, it didn't do this in the 18 or 19, should I say, 19.10 release or 18.04, whichever you guys were using. So now we want to rename this back to what it was, and then we can see, we can check this out to see if everything's right. It's still the same thing. I'm really not sure why it did that, but we got everything. You will not have this line right here because I added it. The 1HQ, I added 1, so you will not have that last line here. So then what you guys want to do now is go to this folder, and I also added the Spotify line, so you guys won't have these. So what we want to do is we want to get rid of that. I'm just going to check this out. We got that out. Okay, so we're going to rename this. Then we're going to move that to trash. And we want we're going to rename this one. Then we're going to open this one up. And then what we want to do here is we want to add that hashtag, or I think that's called a hashtag, and then right there, and then we want to save it. So we're all done. And then we want to do sudo apt-update. We want to update that. Hey everybody, and welcome back. Let's do a if you guys remember that error I got in the terminal, so here is the fix. If that didn't remove the GNOME stuff, you guys want to go back to the Nemo and uncomment that again, and then hit save. And then we're going to open up a terminal again. And we're going to, let's see if I can find that error. For you guys, so So there was a error. So what you guys want to do is, if you guys installed GNOME back, I will be having a video on how to install GNOME back actually. So if you guys don't have still have GNOME in the session manager, by doing this, you guys are going to want to go in to the package manager. I'm using Enviroment package manager, but you guys can use whatever package manager you want. Synaptic should work fine in here. You guys are going to want to go to unpop. You guys are going to want to uninstall it through here. And then you guys are going to want to uninstall that package. And then the pop icon theme package you guys are going to want to install. So I think I installed that manually, which I will and show you guys how to do after this. So you guys are going to want to uninstall that package. And then you guys are going to want to do this command again. If you got that error in the last video, it's going to do that. So you guys can run that. And then you guys are going to want to do sudo autoremove. And it's going to remove everything like this. So after you did that, you want to do this. To auto remove. And then now what you got now still do not update, so it's gonna all those packages that we wanted removed are going to come back. Unfortunately, I do not know why it's doing that, but to fix that, like I said before, and this is only if you guys get that error. You guys shouldn't get that error the first time. You guys will have all those packages, so you guys are gonna want to come back to this file right here, and then now you guys want to do that hashtag and then save it, and then we're all good now. Now what we're going to want to do is sudo apt-update again, and everything will be fine. So let's just check. I guess now you don't have to pop icons, but I'll show you how to do that at the end. So let's just check the package. So it didn't create anything again, so discard. Let's make sure everything's fine. Okay, so everything should be fine. So now what we want to do, let's open up Discover again. Oh, it's right here. Let's check for updates. Now everything is up to date, so now it's not going to come through Discover and everything. So yeah, so that's how you do that. And now let's I'll show you that everything is working and everything. So let's we still got the pop shop in here. Still got the pop shop. I think you guys will not have this. It will. I think the first time it will remove. I think you guys will have to install this if you guys want this. But I will show you that everything is working. So to get the pop icons, let's go back to, let's see, pop. Can we do it from here? No, I don't think we can do it from here. So let's go back to Muon package manager that I use. Let's go to the pop. Oh, it still has the pop wallpapers installed. Yeah, because I think I did that. So let's just do pop icons theme now. So let's install that. So it's gonna install the GNOME. Now it's gonna install the GNOME icon theme and now all the other packages. So that's good. So we want to install that, and then we want to install the pop GTK theme to get everything back. So GNOME theme extra, GNOME theme, yeah, it's part of the theme, so that's okay. So let's install that. So it's going to install. Everything. So now let's open up Dolphin. Where is it? Let's open it. That wasn't it. Let's open up Nemo so I can show you. So now everything is back the way it was, and you guys have the icons fixed. Right here, because as you saw before, the icons were messed up because we didn't have the pop icons. So you can either choose to get the pop icons or download some other icons from another place that you guys like. So yes, so now let's check the one command. Now you guys will not have the GNOME Desktop session when you guys restart. So that is how you guys do that. If you guys need any help with anything, please comment down below the video and subscribe. I am working on a Discord server so you guys can come in and ask me anything you guys want. So I will let you know with the video when that is up. Thank you guys very much. Please subscribe and like, and thank you very much, and bye now.